Hey, this is Moshberry. Welcome to this video. This is an amazing piece of cloud hosted software. Let me quickly show you how it works. First, you go and click the Add New Campaign button. Add a campaign title and a campaign slug. Then there are professional website templates. Select which template you like. Now the most interesting part starts. The software opens a chat window and it asks you questions, a series of questions that you have to answer. And then the software takes all your information about the website you're trying to build through this chat. So it will ask you to upload image, it will ask you about the benefits, the name, everything. You just chat with the software and just provide the informations you want to use in your website. When there is a table where you need to add an image or icon, you will get option to do that. Add and edit information in a very easy way. When you need to add a YouTube video, it's very easy. Just copy the embed code and paste the code in the chat window in the right placeholder. And when you put all your information, boom, the software builds your website according to your template choice and according to the information you put in the chat window. Yeah, that's it. Look, the professionally built website is ready. There is absolutely no other work needed to be done. No skill, no graphic design skill, no writing skill, no drag and drop skill. You can integrate your favorite autoresponder and get all the leads that are coming in through the page to your autoresponder directly and run your campaigns from there. But that's not all. You can run referral campaign from inside the software. In this system, when someone signs up using your sign up form, they will receive unique URL or a referral link through which when they send more referral or more people to visit that link, that referral link, they will receive a reward. Look at this email I just received from the system automatically for referring other people to my referral link. This referral system drives more and more viral and referral free traffic or web visitors completely automatically. So this platform builds money-making websites using chats and drive referral viral traffic and builds lists automatically.